Welcome to our tutorial on how to move a worksheet to another workbook in Excel. This feature is useful for organizing data across different workbooks. Let's get started. First, open both the source workbook and the destination workbook. For illustration purpose, I have opened them in side-by-side window. My source workbook is example 1, whereas destination workbook is example 2. Then, right-click on the Worksheet tab in the source workbook. Here it will be Sheet 2 of the Example 1 workbook. From the context menu, select Move or Copy. In the dialog box, select the Destination workbook from the To Book drop-down menu. Here I will select Example 2. Remember, only the opened workbooks will be listed here, and you must have to open the respective workbook in order to select as the Destination workbook. Select the position for the worksheet in the Destination workbook. Here I will select Move to End and click OK. If you need to keep the original sheets at the source table while creating a copy in destination table, tick Create a Copy. I will keep it unchecked. That's how it works. You can also use the drag and drop method. Drag the Worksheet tab from the source workbook to the destination workbook. I will drag the sheet 3 of source workbook or the example 1 workbook. Then release the mouse button to move the worksheet to the destination workbook, which is example 02. To recap, you can move a worksheet to another workbook using the right-click context menu or the drag and drop method. This helps in organizing your data efficiently. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. For more Excel tips and tricks, be sure to check out our other videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Excel Tutor. See you next time.